let's see how search works, and we will start with a local search to search for something within opened file. So to open up search panel, we need to press Command F, and here, if we'll type search query, all search matches in the file will be highlighted. To go forward to the next search match, we press Enter, and to go backward, we have to press Shift Enter. And after we are done with searching, to close this search panel, we have to press Escape. Also, if we will select something before doing the search, then the text that we have selected will automatically be populated in the search field. There is also an option to search for something only within specified selection. And to run the search within the selection, we have to activate the following option: Search in Selection, or alternatively we can press Ctrl-Option-E. And as we can see now, when I'm pressing Enter, my cursor stays within the selection and only matches from this selection are highlighted. Also, we can easily see all our previous search queries, and to see the list of previous search queries, we have to firstly focus on the search field and press Option arrow down. We will see such a list with our previous search queries, and we can select any item from this list to run the search by using particular search query once again. Also, if we'd like to see the list of our search results in a separate panel, we can do so by clicking the following menu item: Open Results in Find window, or pressing keyboard shortcut Option F7. Right after that, we're seeing the panel at the bottom where all our search results are grouped. And we can easily navigate to each search result from this list by simply clicking on it. Next, if you'd like to not only search for something, but also replace something, to open up Search and Replace panel, instead of pressing Command F, we need to press Command R. Here in the first search field, we are specifying which text we'd like to replace, and in a second search field, we are specifying the text that we'd like to replace with. And then by pressing Enter, we're going to replace each individual match separately, or we can also press Replace All to do replacement globally within this file. And now let's talk a little bit about global search. So to open up panel with global search, we have to press Command Shift F. Here we are typing our search query, and at the bottom we're seeing all search results across all project files. Also, if we select some text up front and then press Command Shift F, then the text we have selected will be automatically populated in the search field. And to open up Global Search and Replace panel, we have to press Command Shift R. So in the first field, we are specifying the text that we'd like to replace, and in the second field, we are specifying our replacement text. As we can see, this panel has a lot of additional options. Here we can also specify whether we're gonna run the search in the whole project or in the specific folder. And also there is an additional option to specify in files with what extension search should run. And finally, one more little tip. If we'll right-click on any search result in this global search panel, we have several options to copy-paste to that file that we have just right-clicked on, whether it will be an absolute path, relative one, or basically a file name. And that's about it for this lesson. We have taken a look at how search as well as search and replace functionality work.